If you've been gardening as long as I have, you've probably seen one of these two mistakes. And the problem is they are not problems that go away. They are mistakes that last every single season. Not only that, if you're a gardener over 60, they will get worse for you. So let's start with the worst offender, planting fast-growing, aggressive plants that scatter seeds everywhere. I understand why people do it. This is privet. Me pulling privet seedlings is like a part-time job. That's how many they are. The irritating thing about it is I never planted a single one. My neighbor planted a privet hedge the entire length of the garden between us, and it constantly scattered seeds. So I understand why people do it. They want privacy, they want something fast. We don't want to wait the rest of our lives to see the result, but it creates so much work down the road for you. And because I never plan to move from this home, I'm going to have to live with this part-time job for the rest of my life. So you might want to think about that. Don't start something now that you are going to regret, not just next year, but every year after that. Those plants should never ever find a place in a small garden. So next time you go to the nursery or the garden center and ask for something to plant a privacy screen or a hedge, think about buying a 5-gallon pot instead of 1-gallon fast-growing privet, because you will buy fewer of them and probably spend the same amount of money. But the best part is you will not have created a part-time job for yourself and your neighbors for the rest of your life. Number 2 is using pea gravel for walkways, especially for those of us over 60 or anybody who has mobility issues. Let me show you up close why this is such a bad choice. So pea gravel is round. It rolls as you walk on it. It doesn't have the ability to pack down. It just moves as your foot moves. So no matter how long you have it or how much you walk on it, it cannot pack down because it rolls. It's a bad choice for seniors. It's a bad choice for anybody who's going to live in their forever home and might have future mobility issues. This is a better choice. This is what is called 1/4-inch chip. They're angular, they're square, they're rectangular, they have sharp surfaces, and these absolutely have the ability to pack down. So these 1/4-inch chip, the more you walk on it, the more solid it gets. That's what I have, and I absolutely love it. I can push a wheelbarrow across it or a wagon with no problem at all. So if you are thinking about expanding your paths or putting down a new path, please think about 1/4-inch chip instead of the traditional round pea gravel. It will pack, it will give you a much more solid footing, and it won't remind you of the childhood playgrounds we all know. I hope these 2 tips will save you some grief and help you enjoy your time in the garden a lot more. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.